which our materials can work with all other current.
So this is like Windows and Mac are not talking.
Yeah,
and then
exactly.
you build a product where Windows and Mac could talk.
Yeah.
And this is also another thing is backward compatible. Hello, my name is JimmyTran, owner and CEO of Worldcraft Logistics. We're a transportation company. Here today, I have with me is Kurt, owner, CEO, and inventor of Far, Far Away company.
Hello everyone, my name is Kurt Lin, and this is our patent product, Ultra Pillars.
And I believe this product is gonna revolutionize a $6 billion industry, right?
Exactly.
Yes.
So let me start from the beginning. When I was an engineer in the film industries, I used to design filming stages, camera rigs for several big companies such as Sony and Canon. The issues that we are facing is I'm looking for a modular structure material which can fit all the tasks, can be adjusted in all kinds of different angles to solve the problem that we have in on-site. But I cannot find the solution with the current materials. That's why we come out with these Ultra Pillar solutions.
I see. So I know that you designed this for the filming industry, right?
Exactly.
But there's other industry that we could improve, right? Can you name 3 other industry where you could enhance, improve, or help them out?
Yes, we actually designed this for film industry, but we actually found out that this solution can be used in all other industry because this is basic structural materials. For example, it can be used in the disaster relief.
That's how we met.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So disaster relief industries for like shelters, temporary structures to adapt different challenging tasks and provide stable and trustworthy solutions for all kinds of different scenarios.
So this could be sold to like FEMA or like, you know, here in Los Angeles or other city, we have like homeless shelters constructed very quickly, right?
Exactly, and you can adjust different stuff, like our material can be used to build such as like dining rooms or living rooms or all kinds of hospitals. We can use our material like Lego. You can use this too.
So we bring a very quick solution to a problem with a very reasonable price.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And then
another solution, another industries that we can help with is automations, manufacturing, and robotics industries, which our material is perfect for application like machine visions, conveyors, even for the robotic.
Like my industry, like warehouse industry, we use this stuff.
Yes, exactly. So also our materials can be used with a lot of current materials and current structural materials your industry are using.
Yes.
And another industries that we are helping is also the film industries. As I mentioned, that our material can be used perfectly for camera rigs, staging structures such as motion captures or like volumetric captures, virtual productions, and also for the background for all kinds of sets, backgrounds. Exactly. So it's reusable because our material is reusable and it is very adaptable and affordable. So that's what makes our perfect materials for the film industry.
And then from my understanding, one of the Batman movie, your product was used for the Batcave.
Our material is used in the promotion video for the Warner Brothers for Batcave, yes. We build Bat computers and other applications, yeah.
And then so finally, we talk about the product, right? So how is your product, I have the product right here.
Yep.
How is your product, let me hold that for you. How is your product compared to the old, the old traditional
materials. Yeah, a traditional material is great for structure-wise. So this is what we call Tesla extrusions and truss. You can see this everywhere.
This is like for
concert
stage, right?
Yeah, concert stages, filming stages, very widely used, all kinds of solutions. However, the strength of the entire structure is determined by the weakest point. This is good structural material. However, it doesn't provide a good connections with the accessories and other equipments. So no matter how strong your structure is, if you don't provide the stable options, then it doesn't matter how stable and strong your material is.
So this is what I use in my warehouse, right?
Exactly.
And then so based on this material, what I see is I only have the option of 9 degrees. right?
Exactly.
So this is a far away company material, and I see that you guys have like an octagon. I don't know if you guys can see that. Octagon-like, where
you can use a telescoping function like this that you cannot find in other solutions as well. You can also put it on the side. So the smaller series will become the adapter or the accessory for the larger series, or another advantage.
This is smaller series, and this is
yeah. This is the medium series. We have another larger series is twice larger than this. This is our 30 and 60, and we have another 120 series, right?
I see.
For example, right here.
Got it.
So our advantage is all of our series work as one system. So for example, in complicated structures solutions, you can see all kinds of different needs for different sizes of the materials or even different kinds of materials. The thing is that these materials were never built as like a one system. They are not designed to work as one system. So this one is not
backward compatible.
Yeah, so if you have a smaller series, you rarely see them can work with each other.
Yeah.
And at the same time, this is for truss. You are really rare to see truss working with teeth-like extrusions because they are not designed to work with each other. That's why our goal is to build a universal language for structural materials, which our materials can work with all other current.
So this is like Windows and Mac are not talking.
Yeah,
and then
exactly.
you build a product where Windows and Mac could talk.
Yeah.
And this is also another thing is backward compatible. So Kurt, my company, right? The problem with us is that we already have the older structure, right? And some other company, they might have like millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars of old structure.
Exactly.
Right? The thing is, when we have to make a business decision about bringing on your product, are we throwing away all our infrastructure and then to bring your product in?
That's interesting questions, Jimmy, because that is what we are trying to address here. Our material can work seamlessly with the current structural material like teeth-like extrusion and truss and other structural materials, which means that simply adding some of our material into the current solutions, we will be able to empower the current solution that you have. You don't have to throw it out, but you can enhance them to have new functions for new challenges. You can use advantage and also keep your current materials.
Yes. So for example, right, like my warehouse is currently using this right now. This is what you call a 9-degree, very traditional aerospace. Use this as well. But then your product allow me to see this right here. There's no holes right here.
Yeah.
But your product, there's every half an inch, I think. There's a screw hole where I could even install this. This is you get from Home Depot.
Yes.
From my understanding, right?
It's angle iron.
Yeah, like outside structure. And this right here, you're able to angle it at 45 degrees versus your traditional, 9-degree, right?
So the whole idea is we are allowed our customer and our user to mount all their accessories and their all different materials wherever they want, whatever angle they want. So we will be able to help our users to mount whatever structure like angle irons, rails, like Legos that you can be able to, whatever you can simulate in your computer, you can achieve it.
Next we have this right here. So the traditional one is 9-degree. We already talked about that. So this right here is giving you unlimited degree. I mean, like, I'm like shaking it. It's like pretty strong, right?
Yeah. Yes, this is our patent connector, which called JPC. This is allowed our users to mount their pillars every 15 degrees. So you can see like every 15 degrees you have 4 channels alignment.
Yeah.
So you're like 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, you'll be able to mount it solidly, not moving at all. And at the same time, you'll be able to adjust in between as well. Only you can achieve these all kinds of functions with 2 metal plates. No other complicated accessories needed. You'll be able to adjust to whatever task or whatever functions you want to achieve. So our goal is to enhance the current industry and create a new market as a new modular universal language for structural materials. In order to do that, we need capital's help. So we are currently looking for the investor, and at the same time, we are also open for the distributor to collaborate with us.
Yes.
We are looking for distributors in North America plus Mexico. We are also looking for the distributors in Europe.
Wow. Wow, okay. And then like for me, like as like a small, small warehouse, small company, can I go to your website and buy as well, right?
Oh yeah, we are open for ordering directly from our website, and you'll be able to see our specs and introduction. We also have the introduction videos on our YouTube channels, so feel free to take a look.
But most important thing is Kurt want to capture a $6 billion market, and he's looking for a partner and investor to join him.
Yes, we are currently looking for collaborations.
All right, well, thank you very much, Kurt, for inviting me here today.
Thank you so much, Jimmy.
And then thank you for everyone for watching.